Hi viewers, today I am going to show you how to make Wi-Fi in my computer so that I can use this internet with other devices. This is internet broadband connection, but there is no Wi-Fi. Now I am going to show you how to make Wi-Fi without using any program. At first go to all programs, then accessories, then command prompt, then right click on it, run as administrator, click yes. Now I am going to test whether my computer supports Wi-Fi connection or not. For that purpose, please write net hashes wlan show drivers. Yes, hosted network supported. Yes, if it is yes, then you can easily make Wi-Fi connection in this computer. But if it is no, then at present you cannot easily make Wi-Fi connection here. As it is yes, now I am going to the next step. Net hashes wlan set hosted network mode equal allow ssid equal I am giving here my Wi-Fi, its name my Wi-Fi. You can give your name or other name according to your choice. Then key equal I am giving test 1 2 3 4 5. You can give it according to your choice, but it should be larger in size, mixing with alphabetical and numeric number. Please enter. Wi-Fi connection has already been created. Now I am going to start Wi-Fi. Net hashes wlan start hosted network, enter. Yes, Wi-Fi has already started. Now minimize it. I'm going to check it whether the Wi-Fi has started or not. Yes, my Wi-Fi, but this Wi-Fi has not been connected with internet because I have not shared the internet of this computer with my new created Wi-Fi. For that purpose, I am going here, click on it. This is my broadband internet connection. It was previously connected with my computer, but I have to share this internet connection with my Wi-Fi. For that purpose, please click on it, properties, then sharing. If it is unchecked, please check it, and there will be drop down box. From here you will select wireless network connection to. I have already done, that is why it has been shown previously. Okay, you will check it and you will uncheck this one. Okay, close. Everything is done. Now I am going to check. Yes, this is my Wi-Fi, and this new created Wi-Fi has been connected with internet. Now I am going to show you how to stop Wi-Fi. For stopping Wi-Fi, please write this code: net hashes wlan stop hosted network. Okay, instead of start, you will write here stop. Enter. Please check whether it has been done or not. Yes, Wi-Fi has been stopped. And how to start again? Write start hosted network. Yes, it is started again. I'm checking it. Yes, it is started again. In this way, you can stop and start. Thank you very much. If you like our channel, please share it with your friends. Give us a like and never forget to subscribe us. Thank you very much.